So today I'm going to be explaining what a Pinterest pin is and how often you should post on Pinterest. So if you're a Pinterest user and you're making use of Pinterest, you should be able to understand and identify what a Pinterest pin is. So a Pinterest pin simply means an image or a video you post on Pinterest, okay? An image or a video you post on Pinterest in order to drive traffic to your website or to your business site, or even to your account or to your social media account or any social media account. In my previous video, I explained what Pinterest is. So if you haven't watched the video, please, you need to go and watch the videos to be able to understand what I am saying. So a Pinterest pin simply means an image or a video you post often in your Pinterest account to be able to get clicks on Pinterest. So if you ever gone on Pinterest and you see designs like how to treat dandruff or how to get rid of dandruff, those things you see, those write-ups you see are called Pinterest pin. So after you must have understood what a Pinterest pin is, most questions people do ask is, how often should I post on Pinterest? Now this is a very interesting question. How often you should post on Pinterest, just like every other social media account or every other social media app, it is required for you to be consistent if you really want to get a result. So if you post often on your Pinterest account, you will definitely get the results you want. So posting consistently on Pinterest will help you get the results you want for your Pinterest account. Another question people do ask again is, how many pins should I post on Pinterest in a day? So for bloggers, before you start posting on Pinterest, you should have at least 20 blog topics in your site, okay, before you start posting on Pinterest. Now, posting on Pinterest with your 20 topics, that means you need to be posting at least 5 pins daily for a new Pinterest account. It is not advisable for you to post 10 pins on your new Pinterest account, so that Pinterest will not flag your account, okay? Pinterest have rules and regulations, okay? They have their policies. So once you open a new Pinterest account, it is not always advisable for you to start pinning multiple pins a day, so that Pinterest won't flag your Pinterest account. All right, so that is why it is advisable for you to at least post 2 pins daily. All right, 2 pins daily. You start posting 2 pins daily for at least 3 months before you increase it to the number of pins you want to increase. Now for bloggers, if you have up to 20 topics in your blog, you are required to post at least 5 pins daily, so that by the time you are done posting the 20 pins, at least you have new blog topics to work with. All right, then if you don't up to 20 topics in your blog and you have at least 10 topics in your blog, you are required to post at least 2 pins daily. All right, 2 pins daily for 3 months before you increase your pins. Increasing your pin designs requires the number of topics you have. You cannot have 20 topics in your website and then you are posting up to 10 pins in a day, because by the time you are done posting that particular pin, you will be left with nothing. And Pinterest has its policy. It is not always good for you to post the same URL in or at the same time. All right, you have to space your URL. Your URL, it is important for you to space your URL. What I mean by URL is your link of the particular topic you are posting from your blog, okay, as a blog. So that is how you post on Pinterest. All right, then for business owners, if you have a website, it is advisable for you to post at least 2 to 5 pins in a day. It is not advisable to post up to 10 posts in a day on Pinterest, so that Pinterest won't flag your account, especially if your account is a new account. So once you open a new account, you should start posting bit by bit before you increase it. All right, so in my next video, I'm going to be showing you the process on how to create a Pinterest pin in Canva, and also I'll be showing you how to post on Pinterest. All right, so to summarize what we have said, Pinterest pin is simply a design on an image you post on Pinterest to generate results or to generate traffic to your blog or to your website or to your social media account, okay? Then I also made mention of how often should you post on Pinterest. If you start pinning on Pinterest, you should be consistent in posting on Pinterest. Then How many pins do you post in a day? It is advisable for you to post 2 to 5 pins in a day, depending on the number of contents you have in your site. If you don't have much content in your site, it is not advisable to post all the time. In my next video, I'm going to be showing you how to create a Pinterest pin design on Canva. So do well to like my videos, subscribe to my channel, and also drop a comment on this video.